just like that, our AC is out. Welcome to the channel today. This is a Mercedes in R Class. It's a 2006. This is an R500. You're going to replace the AC compressor. So first thing first, you just come right down here, pop the hood. So when you come to the hood, you just put your hand right here. You just press this like this, and then you just lift it up. And then if you want to lift it all the way, you come right here and you press like this right here, and you can push the hood all the way. So right, we have our engine right here. So what you do, you're going to work with this area right around here. So what you do, our AC compressor is just down right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, with those two hoses coming out from it, right over there. So first thing first, make sure you drain your AC, which is in the system. So the high one is just right here. You just remove this front grill. You just push to the side, and then you can suck it from here. And then the low end is just right here. So for those ones who haven't removed this thing, which is covering up here on top right here, please remove it first. So there's two 13mm right over here and here, and then 13mm here and here, and then right inside there, there's that's an E8. So remove it from there, and then this whole big metal cover is going to come out. So once that is done, next, after you sucked everything out of the system, you use this is a Hexa 6. Use a Hexa 6 for both sides to remove it. So I remove it from the top. So you have to have this is a Hexa 6. So when you have Hexa 6, you need something like an extension. This is a long extension, and then you need something like a flex, because if you see down there, the direction of the stuff right there, those bolts, they are looking like on the side. So let's begin. So right like here. So you connect it like that. Just let it get in there like that, and then you can open it from here. So it should be able to come out like that. So you can just remove it from there like that. So this is out. So you can put this on the side, and then you do that to the next one, which is just right there. So to this, the other one too. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. So once that comes out like that with that thing, you just pick it up. So just like that, I got it. So before you proceed, make sure you see if they are all the same. If they're the same, then you're good to go. You can mix them together, and then once this is done, you can take those hoses out. So I just come right here, and then that one is out. It's right there, and then you can do the same to this. some tools out. It's out of the way. So once that is done, you come here in the front, and then you can take out this serpentine belt, because the belt is right there, is going through that AC compressor. So what we do, we just remove it from right here. We use a 17mm. So you get a long 17mm just like this socket with a long ratchet, and then you can come down right here, and then you just do like you're unlocking it. So you can come just down right here. So once you put like that, you just turn it anti-clockwise like this. So once you do that, you can remove the belt from right here, and then you can remove the belt from right over there, from all the way to down there. You can remove it completely. So when you come right here, you can see down there AC compressor is loose. It doesn't have no belt on it. So the next procedure, we're going to do it from below the car. So you have to raise your car if you have like jack stands, or if you have a special lift like me, you can raise it from the special lift, and once we are down there, they can proceed. Okay, once below the car, you get your 10mm socket. So you get all these bolts out of the way. So you begin from here. And then this is the last one. All this comes out the way. Our cover is out of the way. So we have our cover right here. So with our bolts, and then once we are here below, you can see like just right over here. This is our AC compressor. So since we have removed up there and all that, what remains is to disconnect this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is a connector right there which connects the AC with the engine wiring harness. So once you remove that, there is a E12 right here. There's a E12 just over there, right over there, and then right from behind right here there is an E12. So you can just feel it. You might not see it because of this blockage. You can see from here. So that E12 from there, and then this two right here is what we are going to take out after we disconnect this right here. So you can just hold this like this. Alright, so you just disconnect by pressing here. Once that is done, this thing is out. We can now open the rest. Alright, something that I should mention, you see the one behind right there? You'll need something like a flex to get it in there, because you can like get it straight, because this thing is going to block it. So you need something like this. Is a flexi, so you can put it from the top, just like right here, and then it's going to connect up there and then open. So what you do, so you just open like that, and this thing just comes just like this on top, and then comes with ease. Make sure you open that one first, and then this one maybe second up here, and then this is the last one as you hold it so it doesn't fall down. Alright, let's do it. So just like that, this one comes out. And then the last last one is right here. You can just take it out as you hold this thing. So I'm using one hand. I'll just let this thing fall gently. So AC is out. So we pull it gently, let it come through here. Slowly, and just like that, our AC is out. It just came right from here. So, and just like that, that's how to remove our AC. You can hear it. The AC is gone. You can hear that sound. So this AC is bad. So to put another one in, you do everything in reverse, and once you're done, you put your AC free on in, then you'll be good to go. Alright, hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.